Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to create a deb package that installs custom command line aliases on any Debian-based system. By the end, you'll have a polished, categorized alias setup that loads automatically and even displays in your terminal each time it opens. Let's start with the alias file. We define helpful shortcuts for browsers, media apps, Git commands, system info, and much more. Each group is labeled with an emoji and a title, making it easy to manage categories. Next, we place this alias file in /etc/profile.d/customaliases.sh. Files in this directory are sourced automatically when you start a login shell. This is how we make our aliases globally available without modifying each user's .bashrc. To make this more interactive, we added a bash function called show_custom_aliases. It uses awk to parse the alias file, grouping aliases by category, and printing them in a nicely formatted color-coded list. We also ensured that the alias list prints only once by checking for an interactive shell using double brackets and checking the shell flags. And importantly, we avoided editing .bashrc or bash.bashrc, which could have caused double output. Now for packaging. We structure our project with a Debian control file and place our alias script under etc/profile.d. After that, we build the deb package using the dpkg-deb-build command. Once built, install the package using sudo-dpkg-i my-aliases_1.0.deb. It immediately enables all aliases system-wide. No further setup needed. Want quick access from your Start menu? We created a small script called Alias Viewer that opens a terminal and displays the aliases. Then we added a .desktop entry, so you can launch it just like any app. The script lives in /.local/bin and simply runs show_custom aliases, followed by a new bash shell to keep the terminal open. Make it executable, and it's ready to go. In /.local/share/applications, we add a .desktop file pointing to the script. This gives you a Start menu item named Alias Viewer with a terminal icon. It launches your alias list with a single click. When you open a new terminal, you'll see your entire alias list, neatly categorized and color-coded, exactly the way you want it. And of course, it's fully editable via the central alias file. Since it's installed via a deb package, you can share it across systems, install it via script, or include it as part of a system image or VM template. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you'd like a version with GUI config or advanced bash features. Happy hacking!